Good morning. The next article of this chapter is linear homogeneous partial differential equations with constant coefficients. Name of next article is linear homogeneous partial differential equations with constant coefficients. Let us see how these equations are. Let us consider an equation equation number 1. A0 coefficient it is constant, A1 coefficient it is constant, A2 is a coefficient it is constant, and what the equation is dou 2z by dou x square, A0 dou 2z by dou x square plus A1 dou 2z by dou x dou y plus A2 dou 2z by dou y square is equal to 0. What is the name of the article? Linear homogeneous partial differential equations with the constant coefficients. Partial differentiation, homogeneous order 2, order 2, order 2. Order of differentiation is 2, order of differentiation is 2, order of differentiation is 2. So, homogeneous. Coefficient constant, this coefficient constant, this coefficient constant, and therefore this equation is known as linear homogeneous partial differential equation with a constant coefficient. More correct name for this equation is linear homogeneous partial differential equation of second order with constant coefficients. This is one example. We can write many more examples. For example, let us consider second equation. A0 dou nz by dou x to the power n plus A1 dou nz by dou x to the power n minus 1 dou y plus A2 dou nz by dou x to the power n minus 2 into dou y square plus dash dash and so on, and the last term is an dou n z by dou y to the power n is equal to 0. Equation number 2. Equation 2 is also known as linear homogeneous partial differential equation with the constant coefficient. Partial differentiation, partial differentiation, partial differentiation. Coefficient a0, a1, a2, a3, a4, etc. an are all constants. Why homogeneous? Here order of differentiation is n, order of differentiation is n, order of differentiation is n, order of differentiation is n. As order of differentiation of each partial differentiation in equation 2 is n, it is same. It is linear homogeneous partial differential equation with constant coefficients. More correctly, equation 2 is linear homogeneous partial differential equation of order n with constant coefficients. If we put dou by dou x is equal to d and dou by dou y is equal to d dash, equation 2 can be written as a0 d to the power n plus a1 d to the power n minus 1 into d prime plus dash dash plus an d dash to the power n into z is equal to 0. Or in general, this may be written as function of d comma d prime z is equal to f of xy, equation number 3. Any such equation can be written as function of d dash. What is d? D is always dou by dou x. What is d dash? It is always dou by dou y. D is partial differentiation corresponding to x. D dash is partial differentiation corresponding to y. And so any such equation, this equation or any other equation which is linear homogeneous partial differential equation with constant coefficients will always be written in this format, that is f of d dash into z is equal to f of xy, and this format is known as linear homogeneous partial differential equation with constant coefficients. Whatever may be the order of differentiation may be 2, it will be 2 for all the terms, 3, it will be 3 for all the partial differential terms, order 4 for all the partial differential terms, like that. Such equations are known as the linear homogeneous partial differential equation, and this z is known as a complementary function. Z is known as complementary function of linear homogeneous partial differential equations. Z is known as the complementary function of linear homogeneous partial differential equations. Hope you got it. It is a small article. Thank you.